Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Bitwarden is one of the most popular, trusted, and secure password managers, known for its open source architecture, robust security features, and generous free plan that includes unlimited devices and passwords. So, here is a beginner's guide which covers the essential steps for setting up and maximizing your security with Bitwarden. Let's start with this first part, that is the initial setup and security foundation. Your entire security experience with Bitwarden starts with a master password and two-factor authentication, that is 2FA. First, create your account and master password. Go to Bitwarden here. You can just navigate to the official Bitwarden website or open the mobile app if you have it downloaded. Now sign up. Click Get Started or Create Account. You can also go ahead and now choose your master password. This is the only password you need to remember. First, what you need to do is to make it strong. Use a long passphrase, which is actually 15 plus characters with a mix of words, numbers, and symbols. Another key thing you need to do is to make it unique. The warning for you is here. Bitwarden uses zero-knowledge encryption, meaning they cannot recover your master password if you forget it. Store a secure hint or backup copy. Also, finally complete sign-up. Enter your email, master password, and a hint, which is optional but I would recommend. Second thing or step is to activate two-step login for your vault. This is the most critical step to protect your vault from hackers, even if they somehow discover your master password. You can do that by first accessing settings, log into your web vault, and then go ahead and now go to settings and click on security. And then finally press on two-step login. You can also go ahead and choose a method. Authenticator app, which is free, is the first one. Use a separate app like the standalone Bitwarden Authenticator or also this Google Authenticator or Authy. This generates the secure 6-digit time-based one-time passwords. Another one is paid options. We have hardware keys, which is YubiKey or Duo, etc., which offers the highest level of security. Now go ahead and also get your recovery code. Immediately after enabling two-factor authentication, write down or print the provided recovery code and store it safely online. This is your backup key if you lose your two-factor authentication device. Let's get to the second part, which is installing and syncing across devices. Bitwarden works across nearly every operating system and browser. You can first install clients, that is browser extension first, which is essential. Install the extension for Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari, or Brave. This is what handles all saving and autofill functions. We also have mobile app, which is essential. Download the app for iOS or Android. And then you need to also enable biometrics. In the mobile app settings, enable fingerprint or Face ID and look for fast, secure access without typing your master password every time. We also have Web Vault, the browser-based interface where you manage settings, security checks, and bulk edits. Second thing or step you need to do here is to disable browser password managers. To prevent conflicts and ensure all your new passwords go straight into Bitwarden, go to your browser settings first, that is Chrome settings, and then click on autofill. Now go ahead and find the built-in password manager and disable or turn off the offer to save passwords. We also have syncing. Bitwarden automatically syncs your data securely via the cloud. If you ever notice an item is missing, we have manual sync. In any Bitwarden app, that is either extension or mobile, click your profile icon or the settings menu and look for the sync vault option. The third part is managing passwords and logins. Bitwarden refers to your saved passwords and credentials as logins, that is the vault items. You can first do that. We have autosave a new login. This is the easiest way to add a password. You can do that by navigating to our website sign up or login form and then go ahead and enter your username or email and password. As soon as you submit the form, a notification bar will pop up asking if you want to save the new login. Click save and rename the item if needed. We also have autofill saved login. When you visit a saved site, you can log in instantly. We have browser extension. Click the Bitwarden extension icon. Matching logins for that site will be listed. Click the entry to automatically fill the username and password fields. We also have context menu. Right click on a username field. Go to Bitwarden menu and select the desired login item to fill. We also have some keyboard shortcut. The default shortcut is Ctrl plus Shift plus L for Windows or Linux, or Command plus Shift plus L for macOS. Another key thing you need to do is to generate now strong passwords. Never create a new password without the generator. Click the Bitwarden extension icon again, and then click the plus add item button. Go ahead and now press the generator icon, which is this small refresh icon next to the password field. You can now customize the length and complexity, e.g. give it 15 characters, include symbols. Also copy the generated password, paste it into the website, and press on save. We also have another fourth step, that is the integrated two-factor authentication, that is TOTP. Bitwarden Premium and free accounts can now store and generate TOTP codes for other sites, unifying your password and two-factor authentication. So you can do that when setting up 2FA on a website. You will be shown a QR code. In Bitwarden, edit the existing login item for that site. Also, find the authenticator key, that is TOTP field, and click the scan QR code icon, which is only available in the mobile or browser extension here. Go ahead and now scan the code. Bitwarden will now generate the 6-digit code, which you can access via the autofill menu or copy from the item details. Let's get to the fourth part, that is advanced features and data security. First, we have a password health report, that is security center. This is found in the web vault. Use this to quickly see which of your saved passwords are weak, reused, or exposed in a known data breach. Also, we have identities and cards. Use the identities features to securely store your personal information and addresses, and the card feature for credit card details, allowing for one-click checkout from filling. We also have finally Bitwarden Send. That is a free feature here. This is found in the web vaults as well. This allows you to securely share an encrypted note, file, or piece of information with anyone, even non-Bitwarden users, via a temporary and expiring link. And that's it. That's the Bitwarden tutorial. That is how to use it, set up, and sync your passwords. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.